The Fate franchise has always been a tough one to get into due to its sheer size and varying series quality. And that's why in today's video I am bringing you the guide that makes it simple for the newcomers to get into the Fate series. The Fate franchise exploded on the anime scene in the last decade after Unfortable's adaptation of Gen Urobuchi's and Takeshi Takeuchi's light novel, Fate Zero in 2011. Not long after that, the Fate anime series experienced an enormous boom that spawned many sequels and multiple spin-offs. However, due to this very phenomenon, the Fate series has become one of the most overwhelming for the newcomers. The Fate series can be tricky to begin to navigate without any proper information. However, with the right information, it's actually more straightforward than it may seem. So that's why I'm bringing you guys today's video. So without any further ado, let's start with our video about a quick guide to watching the Fate series. The biggest source of confusion in the series is because the first installment being a terrible adaptation. However, there's more than one method for newcomers to dive into the immensely popular series. So the first method is the anime only watch order. The Fate Stay Night anime is an adaptation of the visual novel of the same name. The visual novel consists of 3 alternative story routes called the Fate, Unlimited Blade Works and Heaven's Feel route, with the narrative intent being to play each route in the given order. When Studio Deen took on the task to adapt the visual novel in 2006, the studio wasn't sure if there was a follow-up sequence. So instead of adapting the Fate route alone, it instead decided to create the Frankenstein monster of an anime that took bits and pieces from the other routes. Due to this as well as other reasons, the resulting anime was a subpar quality. The Fate series eventually got its redemption when Unfortable took over the rights and released Fate Zero, which immediately gained critical acclaims. Studio Deen also adapted the Unlimited Blade Works route in a movie, which fortunately got remade by Unfortable in 2014 as a TV series of the same name. Unfortable then followed this up with the trilogy of movies covering the Heaven's Feel route, the third of which was originally supposed to release this March but was postponed indefinitely due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Anime only fans are left with a single option of powering through the 2006 adaptation in order to experience its story. Instead, after watching the 2006 version, the next series to watch would be 2014's Fate Stay Night Unlimited Blade Works, followed by the Fate Stay Night Heaven's Feel trilogy. The brilliant Fate Zero series, which is a prequel to the events of Fate Stay Night, can be watched immediately after the 2006 adaptation. Although it's best advised to watch up until the Heaven's Feel 2 beforehand in order to avoid any spoilers. The second method to watch is only the good shows. Using this method will allow you to skip Studio Deen's adaptation altogether and instead start with the Fate Zero series. Although this watch order is sure to spoil certain events from the Fate Stay Night anime, it ensures fans that immediately hooks into the anime instead of having a drudge throughout the 2006 anime, which may leave a bad taste in one's mouth. The Fate Zero series provided enough lore and context for Fate Stay Night Unlimited Blade Works to make sense without having to watch the Fate route. This watch order, however, is not the most advisable for the new fans as it leads to the less content-rich experience. It is ideal though for those who prefer the series to start in a higher gear and are unwilling to sit throughout the Medicore adaptation or a lengthy visual novel. However, for those ready to consume the Fate franchise in its intended order, the next method is currently the best one possible, and it involves more than just watching the anime series. And the third method is starting with the visual novel. This method is the simplest. Begin your Fate journey with the visual novel wherein the Fate route is available. After playing the Fate route, fans can then play the remaining 2 routes, or they can jump into the Unlimited Blade Works anime series and Heaven's Feel movies before concluding the main series with Fate Zero, after which they can jump around and watch as many as optional Fate spin-offs as they want in any order they want. This method ensures viewers to get the definite experience without having to put up with any less than stellar adaptations. The visual novel itself, although devoid of the great animation that defines Unfortable's adaptation, and is also very good in its own right as far as visual novels are concerned. Regardless of which method you choose, you are sure to get hooked on the franchise, a testament to just how good the Fate series is. So these were the 3 types of methods which you can start with if you wanna get into the Fate anime series or even the light novel. And that was for the today's video guys. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.